What are your feelings about what pang ilang ka?
In the first year,
Third.
93
What's
grade.
your feeling?
93 grade is not enough because 93 is very low.
What do you feel in the start?
I feel excited because I thought that you know the all in the books or on the questions, but the few of the questions on the reviewers are not in the question on the quiz B. It's very unfair.
And then, nahirapan ka sa Busby.
What is the name of your team?
The name of my team, the Incredible Bulls, and I don't know why they name it Incredibles because we are not incredible. We are idiots. We are idiots.
You heard the sound there?
What sound?
You ano? Oh yes.
The Justin Bieber.
No, other song that you favorite.
Oh, yeah, the move by QC.
Oh,
Very
yes.
good because tinitigasan. If you tinitigasan, your penis will become hard. And if it become hard, you will masturbate.
Enough. Another question.
Mahirap ba?
Another question.
Mahirap ang Busby. What is your...
In easy round.
This round, I am an idiot because I answer wrong.
That's why the reason your team is lost. Other. Average. What is your reaction in the scorer? Negative 1-0. And right minus wrong.
It's very unfair because if you don't answer 0, and you wasted your effort on writing -1.
Say. Kaya si Sharp is complaining and teacher up.
Yes.
Appeal.
And you know, our usher is very little.
Very weak, no?
And he's very slow. That's why he didn't give his answer to Mang Ape because he's very slow.
She is not industrious, no?
We have a tie round. Kunyari, yung team mo, pati yung other team.
I don't care about that.
Because you are not a leader.
Yes.
Because you are a leader of Sinep Gang.
Yes.
Yes. Police na lang. And another question. Are you gizzy?
Ano? Walang kwento.
Ikaw ba?
Oo.
Nakasagot sa lahat, halos lahat ikaw ang nagsagot.
Oh, yes.
And when
Your face is so very
kapal naman ang mukha mo, no?
He didn't talk. He didn't answer any question.
Kahit hindi ko kayo yung graphic kasi nag-picture kasi kayo na wala kang time na para mag-review. No?
Oo.
Sino ba nakasagot?
Pero ako, alam ko na naman yun.
Yes. What other question? Sir!
Magaling.
I'm in a hurry.
Why nothing
when your team was lost?
Huh?
Card do you like? Kung narin ako na
Don't. Smoking is dangerous to your health.
What's your question again?
Why are you laughing?
Because the reactions. And I'm different because they are sad and I'm happy. If they're happy, I'm sad.
Why?
Because I don't like it.
Who is your leader?
Leader of Rick De La Cruz. Jig Vargas.
Saan ba meron boss bro?
I don't know. Okay, what another
The
question?
people is standing ovation. Tumayo sila sa'yo yung tinawag kang Kurt Ibasco, standing ovation. Tapos meron pang round of applause.
I don't know.
I don't know. What is your reaction about our performance in cultural?
Oh, it's very messy because the other are noisy. And if
You don't understand what...
is something like that, and he's lonely on the corner. And
Hoy, tara! Hoy! Sige!
Okay, that's all. Thank you, Kurt Ibas. Kurt Pokemon, world champion of the history.